but now the sun is shining. Let's go make some coffee. Okay, I changed my outfit so I look a little more put together now. Look at how cute this little cardigan is. It has like bows running down the whole entire arm. I like how it's like not a full cardigan. It's so adorable. It's from Cider. I mentioned this before, but I made my own little closet on Cider. I picked out so many cute items, including this cardigan. I'll let you guys know whenever I wear like my Cider outfits. I selected so many cute clothes. It was so hard to pick like which ones I wanted because I wanted to pick so many. So if you guys want to shop like anything that I'm wearing from Cider, if you just want to look around at all the clothes that I selected, just go to cider.com and type in my name. Every item is so cute. I'll also have the links so that way you can check it out from here. Okay, for breakfast, I'm basically just gonna have tomatoes and eggs. Honestly, I think this is like my favorite breakfast. Olive oil. Oops, actually that was a lot. My favorite type of egg when it's like super yolky in the middle. It's like the perfect amount of spice. It's so good. I've been wanting fruit so bad, so we're gonna head up to the store right now to get some strawberries and raspberries, or probably just strawberries. Okay, let's go to the store. I keep seeing these little like frozen yogurt barks. They look so good, so I'm gonna try to do it with like probably strawberries, peanut butter, and hopefully raspberries. I don't know. My mom made cornmeal tortillas and making like little quesadillas. It's a good little snack. This dipped in beans, bomb. Okay, I'm gonna make my little yogurt bark now. I'm just gonna dump it on here. Smoothing it out on the plate. I'm also gonna do a little bit of chocolate chips. Some peanut butter. Now we're gonna put this little guy in the freezer. Now for lunchtime, I'm having boiled beans with rice inside and then cilantro. And I don't know if you guys do the same thing, but I like to put mayonnaise in my boiled beans. It tastes so much better that way. My little quesadillas my mom made too. Oh, my earrings! My earrings! I feel naked. I took my earrings off because I cleaned them. Okay, better. Okay, I'm making a smoothie right now. This has strawberries, bananas, spinach, and then my collagen powder. There's a smoothie. Made these type of smoothies in like forever. I've been wanting to get chocolate milk because my favorite smoothie is with almond chocolate milk, spinach, and then a banana. Honestly, every time I use spinach in my smoothies, I can't even taste it. Okay, I'm gonna finish this up and then go take a shower. Okay, I just took a shower. I'm gonna eat dinner right now. Surprisingly, I'm not tired, which is weird because the time changed yesterday, so we lost an hour of sleep. And surprisingly, I'm like not tired at all or like thrown off because I'm usually tired even like without the time change. For dinner, I'm having the rice with some sausages, my little I like to dip my sausage in mustard and cream cheese. My little yogurt bark is finished. It's definitely frozen. Let's cut it. Little snack, so I got the little bark that I made. It could be a little more frozen. Definitely by tomorrow, this will be like perfect.